The Usif Patel case, officially known as Usif Patel and others versus Crown, is a significant constitutional case in the legal history of Pakistan. Here's a detailed legal analysis of the case. Background: Usif Patel and others were declared Gundas, a term used for lawbreakers, by the district magistrate of Larkana under the Sindh Control of Gundas Act 1952. They were ordered to furnish heavy security, and upon failure to do so, they were detained. Legal proceedings: the detainees challenged their detention under the Sindh Control of Gundas Act 1952 by filing applications for habeas corpus under Section 491 of the Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC. The Chief Court of Sindh upheld the detentions as legal. Federal Court's decision. When the case reached the federal court, the appellants presented a new argument challenging the validity of Section 92 of the Indian Independence Act. The federal court had to decide on the validity of Section 92A and the subsequent Sindh Control of Gundas Act 1 and issues and judgment. The core issue was whether the Sindh Control of Gundas Act, passed without the Governor-General's consent, was valid. The court ruled in favor of the detainees, stating that the powers of the Governor-General ceased on March 31, 1948. By virtue of the Indian Independence Act 1947, therefore, the promulgation of the Sindh Gundas Control Act 1952 was invalid for significance. This case is pivotal as it addressed the extent of the Governor-General's legislative powers post-independence. The judgment highlighted the importance of adhering to the constitutional process and the need for legislative acts to have the proper consent and authority to be enforceable. Impact: the Usif Patel case is an example of the judiciary's role in checking the executive's power and ensuring that individual liberties are not curtailed by arbitrary administrative actions. It underscores the significance of the rule of law and the protection of citizens' rights against unlawful detention. This analysis reflects the complexity of constitutional law in Pakistan and the ongoing struggle to balance state authority with individual freedoms.